And no umbrellas there at the Premier. Let's get the weather now with Louise Lear. Hello.
Hi there, George. Well, they could have probably done with some atmospheric fog for that vampire party, couldn't they? But we're losing that kind of weather. We're actually going to see some wet and breezy weather arriving overnight. Started, actually, in South Wales. Some of it really quite heavy. Here we've got a severe weather warning. But as that front continues to march steadily north and east, for a time in Scotland, we're going to see a chilly night, a little bit of frost and fog. But as the cloud and rain arrives, it'll actually lift at temperatures. So by dawn, we're looking at around 5 to 6 degrees. Further south and west, 9 to 10. So a mild start, but a contrast. The rain will linger in the far north of Scotland. Some sunshine elsewhere, something we've not seen for a change, but make the most of it. It's not going to last. There's more wet and windy weather starts to arrive from the west. Some of it, again, really quite heavy across parts of Wales, and the winds strengthening on those exposed coasts. Now, there'll be some heavy rain as well, moving north out of Northern Ireland, but sitting there for most of the afternoon and pushing into western Scotland throughout the day. The majority of Scotland should be a dry, bright afternoon, with that rain moving off into the Northern Isles. Now, the northwest of England will see that rain arriving later on in the afternoon. The winds strengthening here on the exposed coast. To the east of the Pennines, we should see some glimpses of sunshine continuing, but the cloud will thicken into the afternoon. A mild afternoon, though, 11, 12 degrees. Certainly feeling a little more comfortable than the last couple of days. But head further south and west, there's that rain across the extreme southwest, and the winds becoming a feature. Gusts on the west-facing coast of 50, 60 miles an hour. So the wet and windy weather drifts east by the end of the day, and then tends to sit across England and Wales throughout Friday. It looks like a particularly miserable day. Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, not too bad at all. But we need to keep an eye on this rain, particularly Friday into Saturday. Some of it could be quite heavy and fairly persistent. So we lose the frost and fog, but unfortunately, we pick up wet and windy. George.
All right, Louise, thank you.